Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to learn how to edit a PDF and save the changes, step by step. This method is super easy and doesn't require any additional software if you already have Microsoft Word. Make sure to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials and tips, and let's dive in. Step 1. First, locate the PDF file you want to edit. Open File Explorer, find the file, right-click on it, and select Open With. From the options, choose Microsoft Word. If this option doesn't appear, ensure you have the latest version of Word installed on your computer. Step 2. Once the PDF opens in Word, it will automatically convert the file into an editable Word document. Depending on the complexity of the PDF, the formatting might change slightly, but most basic layouts will remain intact. Step 3. Now, make the necessary edits to your document. You can change the text, adjust formatting, insert images, or even add new sections to the file. Use Word's editing tools in the toolbar to make the changes you need. Step 4. When you're done editing, it's time to save the file back as a PDF. Click on File in the top left corner of the screen, then select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file, and in the File Format dropdown, select PDF. Step 5. Finally, give the file a name if needed and click Save. Your edited document will now be saved as a new PDF file ready to use or share. And that's it. Editing a PDF and saving your changes is quick and easy with Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.